Hey everybody. So this is on hoarding, and this verse is about giving. So we're at Luke 6:38. Give and you will receive. Your gift will return to you in full, pressed down, shaken together to make room for more, running over and poured into your lap. The amount you give will determine the amount you get back. And this is just an ongoing principle, that the more that you give, the more that you will receive. And, sometimes people they'll just look at me or judge me and say, why do you give away so many, coaching sessions and consulting? Like, why do you give away so much? And the point is, I do that because I know it's going to come back. And the person who needs the support and the help in that moment, who doesn't have the funds, I'm still willing to help and serve that person, because by helping and serving that person, it is going to come back to me in another way. It may be that I get a windfall, or somebody says, hey, I have all this, these things that I'd like to give to you, and what can you do with these things? And it may be tangible furniture or whatever. The point is, there's always incoming. I'm always receiving some kind of blessing, and it's because I'm giving. And, if you're not in a place of giving, I really encourage you to test it out. Start giving away things and see how your life changes as a result of giving. Have a good one.